Hello everyone, I'm Deepika Amlani, your life coach. Today I'm going to talk about the key number 3, beat the procrastination. And let me talk about it by telling you a story about an ant and a grasshopper. So there was this time in a jungle or in a field lived a grasshopper and an ant. And on a very usually on a, it was a bright sunny day of summer, and then ant would work hard to collect the food for the winters, and grasshopper would just look at her and say, why do you work so hard? Summers are for fun. Come, listen to my song and dance with me. But ant would just ignore him and continue working. And ant would also tell the grasshopper, why don't you work hard? You will have no food when the winters would come. But grasshopper would ignore her and just enjoy by hopping from one place to another place, talking to one person to another person. And he would just waste his summer just moving around and chit-chatting with people. And finally came the winter. The grasshopper had nothing to eat. So he went and begged to the ant for the food. And ant said, when I worked hard, you sang. So now go away. There is no food for you. That was the day when the grasshopper learned the lesson of appreciating the time, living the moment, doing the work which is required to be done at the right time. What was the difference between ant and the grasshopper? The ant never procrastinated, and grasshopper kept on procrastinating the important need of his life. And I am sure we all have faced procrastination some or the other time. Has procrastination become your habit now? If yes, then it's dangerous, and time is now to beat the procrastination. As it is said, procrastination is the grave in which opportunities are buried. So, do you want to bury all the opportunities of success and happiness in your life? Or, but I am sure nobody wants to do it. As I've shared in one of my article, that the reason behind procrastination is the behavioral science that brain functions to achieve pleasures and not for doing any work. We get immediate pleasure. Thus, in order to beat the procrastination, we have to always remind our mind about our future self. What do we want from our future? How do we look at ourselves in our future? And that will create a trigger and would allow us to beat the procrastination. And if you want to know more about beating the procrastination, I have many clients who have come back and said now with the techniques and tools or tips that I've shared with them, they're able to beat the procrastination in their life and they have moved towards a success. So if you want certain techniques and tips, feel free to write it down to me, deepika.amlani@gmail.com. Until that time, bye-bye.